Email marketing can have one of the highest ROIs of any marketing channel, if executed properly. Here's 5 tips to get even more bang for your buck with email marketing. Personalize your emails. Personalization in your emails could be a great tool to get better open rates. It will yield results differently based on your industry and customer base, and it's totally worth testing to see if it makes a difference for your business. Putting a person's name in the subject line of the email could be really effective for gaining their attention. Personalization can also extend to what to buy next based on your past purchases emails, which can help turn opens into conversions. Segment your list. Segmenting an email subscriber list means taking the entire list and then grouping the emails into common groups. Base the groups on previous purchases and the way each user interacts with the emails and navigates the website. Customers who touch certain categories should be grouped together for more targeted emails, and those who avoid certain categories should also be grouped together. Optimize for mobile first, but don't forget about desktop. These days, the majority of emails are opened on a mobile platform. With the current shift to many people working from home, though, we are seeing more desktop users than before. Optimizing email should always focus on mobile devices first, but you shouldn't neglect desktop optimization. The bottom line is, email should be able to look and function perfectly when they're opened on any device. There is no one-size-fits-all for call to actions. Every email sent out to your subscriber list should contain a call to action, but the call to action should look different in different email types. Product promotion email should have a call to action that is easy to identify and housed at the top of the email. But with the newsletter, the focus is on the content first, so the CTA should be more subtle and put near the bottom of the email. Invest in your graphics. Most companies aren't putting an emphasis on quality graphics, which is an opportunity for you to shine. Make sure you spend the time and energy to make sure your graphics are amazing, because visuals are what draw people in and get them to spend time on your emails. The beauty of email marketing is that the more it grows, the more data you collect on your customers, which means you can better tailor your emails to fit their needs. There's so much potential with email marketing, but crafting compelling emails, sending them at the precise right times and frequencies is an art. Logical Position offers custom email marketing campaigns that are designed to drive revenue and increase customer lifetime value. For your digital marketing, web development, and e-commerce needs, please visit us at www.zionike.net. Thank you for watching Zionike digital marketing videos. Please check our channel for other exciting and informative videos. Like, share, and subscribe for many more to come soon. Bye!